I first visited the Valley Gallery drawn by the vibrant autumn colors. As I approached, an outgoing customer gave me a glowing recommendation of the place. Inside, one of the most striking features was the installation by Kusama. Her reflective spheres, originally showcased at the Venice Biennale in 1966, have been magnificently expanded here for Naoshima. There are 1,700 mirrored balls, scattered both within the gallery and throughout the outdoor areas. These spheres capture and reflect the surrounding environment, creating an enchanting play of light, infinity, and self-reflection for all who wander through.